Please write your name, class period, and date. Your test. Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Number 1. Which country voted in 2016 to pull out of the European Union? Is it A, Portugal, B, Spain, C, France, or D, United Kingdom? Question number 2. The European Union is made up of how many countries today? Is it A, 39, B, 27, C, 22, D, 15? Question number 3. What is the name of the European organization that has countries working together to promote economic growth? Is it A, NATO, B, United Nations, C, European Union, or D, World Health Organization? Question number 4. Most of the countries in the world have a blank economy. Is it A, command, B, traditional, C, free market, or D, mixed? Question number 5. Which economic system is controlled by the government? Is it A, command, B, traditional, C, free market, or D, mixed? Question number 6. The European Union has made trade easier in Europe by using a common currency, money, called the blank. Is it A, dollar, B, pound, C, euro, or D, franc? Question number 7. Which type of government does the United Kingdom have? A, federal republic, B, presidential democracy, C, confederation, or D, parliamentary democracy? Question number 8. In Russia, the president is both the chief executive and the head of state. What type of democracy is this? Is it A, constitutional monarchy, B, parliamentary democracy, C, representative democracy, or D, presidential democracy? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 9. In 1948, the blank issued the Universal Declaration of Human Rights that lists many different rights. Is it A, United Nations, B, Russia Federation, C, World Health Organization, or D, European Union? Question number 10. In Germany, the central government and the state government share power. Which of these terms best describe this type of government? Is it A, representative democracy, B, federal system, C, confederate system, D, direct democracy? Question number 11. In a command economy, economic decisions are made by the A, consumers, B, government, C, market, or D, producers? Question number 12. Which of the following is not one of the basic questions that all economic systems must answer? Is it A, what to produce, B, how to produce, C, how much to produce, or D, for whom to produce? Question number 18. Which statement about the United Kingdom's parliamentary system of government is correct? Is it A, the Prime Minister is not directly chosen by voters? B, the Queen decides which laws Parliament will debate? C, members of Parliament do not belong to political parties? Or D, members of both houses of Parliament are elected for life? Remember, you can pause at any time. Question number 14. What do the economic systems of the United Kingdom, Germany, and Russia have in common? Is it A, all are examples of a pure market economy? B, all are examples of pure command economies? C, all are examples of mixed economies that are mostly command economies with some elements of market economies? Or D, all are examples of mixed economies that are mostly market economies with some elements of command economies? Question number 15. How has the European Union been a benefit to the countries that have joined it? Is it A, the use of tariffs have increased trade? B, trade among member nations has decreased? C, more people now make full use of their country's resources? Or D, the exchange of goods among the members has become easier? Question number 16. Which of the following statements most accurately describes communism? Is it A, all property should belong to the government, not to private individuals? B, a small group of people should control all the property for their own goals? C, the people who own property should share part of it with the government? D, one person alone should own all property and decide how it is to be shared? Question number 17. Like the United States, Germany is a democratic federal republic. Which of the following is a responsibility of the citizens in both countries? Is it A, visiting historic landmarks? B, electing representatives to the legislature? C, governing themselves by voting on all laws? Or D, discussing national political issues? Question number 18. Which timeline event created a single economic market in which there are no barriers to trade, services, or capital among European countries with the goal of straightening trade? A, First Crusade begins. B, World War I ends. C, Berlin Wall torn down. Or D, European Union created? questions 19 and 20, use the chart below to answer the questions. Forms of democratic government. Question number 19. Use the chart above to answer the question. What form of democratic government is being described in column A? Column A states, no separation of power between executive and legislative branch, and citizens vote for legislature, and legislature elects a head of government. Your answer choices are A, parliamentary, B, presidential, C, autocracy, or D, oligarchy. For question 20, use the chart above to answer the question. What form of democratic government is being described in column B? Column B states, executive branch and legislative branch have separate powers. Citizens vote directly for the head of government. Is it A, parliamentary, B, presidential, C, oligarchy, or D, autocracy? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Please go back and double check your answers. Make sure that if you have erased anything on your Scantron, you have properly erased your original answer and have reflected the darker answer as your new answer. Good luck, and please take your time.